fruits into alcohol at home in 3 easy steps. First, choose your recipe and press Start. ALCHEMA will sanitize the pitcher to prevent contamination. Second, add the ingredients from your chosen recipe. The app will show how much you've added. Or create your own recipe. Add the yeast, which creates a fermentation, transforming sugar to alcohol. Then press the Finish button and let ALCHEMA take care of the rest. Check the brewing status anytime on your phone, or just wait for it to tell you it's finished. This cider will be ready in 1 to 2 weeks. Mix and match flavors to create truly unique craft cider.
Who wants some apple cider?
Oh, you know I do.
Yeah.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
For a special occasion or a little treat. ALCHEMA.
My name's Tom Cutts. I do a lot of cooking. In my past, I've worked at a restaurant, so I've got some pretty strong kitchen chops. And so I'm more interested in how it works with food and how you compare it. Then I came across the ALCHEMA and got involved with that and been enjoying creating my own custom things. It's so easy. It really intrigued me that being able to customize it. Most people, of course, when they think of cider, they're going to think of either pear cider or apple cider. And those are going to fit into sort of a very narrow flavor profile. But the ALCHEMA gives you the opportunity to make all kinds of unique things, and you can actually create, like I created a cranberry cider that you could serve with Thanksgiving. It's just a very effective way to sort of explore your creativity and enjoy stuff and create something custom. You know, if you've got somebody who's got a special event of some sort, their birthday or whatever coming up, you make a custom cider for them and give it. It's just a really special thing to share with people.